I'm Allison, and this is my van called Wonderland. She's a Nissan NV200, and this is my official VanLife van tour video. Now, before we get started, originally I wasn't going to do a tour video because, well, there really isn't much in my van. I would say I am a VanLife minimalist. People might think, hey, if you have a mobile lifestyle, you must be a minimalist. But no, I am a minimalist mobile lifestyler. Now, I built out this van so that I could possibly live in it as a preschool teacher. It's not easy to afford a rent and a retirement savings at the same time. So I figured retirement savings was more important, and maybe I should get a vehicle to live in. I do have an apartment lease until the end of the year. It's 2021 when I'm making this tour video. It's fall right now, and I finished building out this van this summer in August, and I'm really happy with it. But like I said, it's very minimalist because I see all these fancy van tours, and they got all of their fancy things, and there's nothing fancy in here, but it's really cool to think that I could live in 35 square feet. The cargo area of the Nissan NV200 is 5 by 7, and since I'm a very tiny lady, I can sleep lengthwise in the van. No, widthwise in the van. So let's get on with the tour. Back there is my bed, and I don't make my bed because I figure I'm just going to mess it up tomorrow night, so why make it? Let's see. I have a nice photo that my mom took of the van. Once it was done, I'll show the photo in the video. Okay, there it is, official van tour. Bed, seat over the wheel well, the bed is on a bed platform, and I got this cart on the internet, but it was tall, and so I unscrewed the legs and I chopped it in half. I didn't chop anything really, I just assembled it in half so that it won't fall over when I drive. But the cart is very handy. The shelves are very strong, they can hold a lot of weight, and I just put stuff in there like that has kitchen stuff in it, and I just put a drape, like a cloth that I like, over the cart. And then on top of the cart I have these tiles that I can put if I want to put the stove, or I can set my computer on the top there. That works, and I actually don't need 3 of these sections. I think I'm just going to take one out and just use 2 of them. There's my laundry room. Like, you think this is going to be a parody van tour video, people are going to make fun of me, I'm sure, but there's my laundry room. There's my breathing mobile washer and my tiny portable dryer. It's only supposed to be good enough to dry underwear, but I wear very dryable clothes. I wear cosmic space pants every day. And this is just a box with firewood and food and some kitchen stuff. This is my collapsible sink. You gotta have some more stuff. Of course, I have some chocolate. And this is the bench seat on the other side. Bungee cords are so important in mobile lifestyle. Stuck that one there if you want to hang something to dry if it rains. My mom made these lovely bench seats. She is so crafty. I'm so happy with them. And then back there is the bed platform. It's kind of just like half of the van, and everything else goes inside. I have a chicken coop, heater, hopefully so I don't die in the winter, and that is electric, and it runs off of my Bluetti portable power system, so let's go see that. Around the side here. Down here is the portable power system, and these are the solar panels. They come out and they fold out, and you just charge it, and then it runs my computer, it charges devices, it will run a portable oven that I have. And then over here is the bed platform. Open up the side door. Yeah, messy bed. Okay. And then what my mom did with this bed platform, this is the mattress, but I got a little creative, and it's actually a pet bed, a large pet bed from the Purple Mattress Company. It works really well. And if you're a regular sized person, you can get a large and a medium and stick them together to have a full, like a more average sized person mattress. And my mom put these cute little doors in the side, and this folds down, and these are just like pop can lids with chains to support it. I guess the idea was that maybe I could like set a cup of tea here in the morning or something. And then it opens up, and the other side is clothes and some utilities, and this side is like bathroom stuff. And there is a shower that folds up, and it runs out of a 5-gallon bucket. And then I have a folding composting toilet, and you know, toilet paper easily accessible. You always want that in your van. And then also underneath I have a cooler and some lights, and the cooler keeps things cold for like 5 days. You stick the ice in a container and it melts, and even after it's melted, then it will still be cold in there. It's a nice igloo. And I think that's it for the van tour. Oh, here's my awesome skylight. I really love it. I got it at a marine supply store. If you have a built-out van, you should have a skylight. I also have these cool magnetic spice containers. I haven't put anything in them yet, but they're super awesome. And also in the bed platform, there's other stuff. I have a foldable bathtub if I want to like take a shower or bath. And I have a little stove, and if you want to see I have a product video, you can go look at that if you want to see all the products that I bought for my van. So there's my van. That's about it. Right now I'm using it as a camper. It is so nice on weekend trips when I want to go somewhere that might be a few hours away, to just bring the van and cozy up in a parking lot. And next year, I'm going to become a nanny. Maybe it will be a little more lucrative than preschool teaching. Maybe I won't have to live in a van, but we'll see. Life is a mystery and an adventure. That was it. That was my official van tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Hello everyone, Allison here, and this is my van called Wonderland. If you're a millennial and beyond looking to become a roam owner, maybe retire early and see the wonderlands of the wild, then this is the place for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and save this video to all of your van life and roam life playlists. For more information in less time, adjust your playback settings to watch these videos on 1.5 speed. If you'd like to follow my adventure, or you need a consultant to help you get from a house that doesn't move into a home that does, then visit my website at www.allisonwonderland.info. See you in Wonderland!